Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today we will be discussing about the business strategies of Abdurrahman ibn Auf radiallahu anhu. He was one of the richest companions of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he was one of the 10 persons who Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said would enter Jannah. When Abdurrahman ibn Auf arrived in Madina following his migration, he had left all his possessions in Mecca and had no money at all. So he had to start from zero. Almost 70 Muslims with their families migrated to Medina, and he was one of them. So upon arriving in Medina, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has coupled him with Sa'd bin al-Rabi'ah, who was one of the wealthiest men of Medina. Sa'd bin al-Rabi'ah was willing to sacrifice his fortune and family for Allah's pleasure and to donate it to his Muslim brother, Abdurrahman ibn Auf. But Abdurrahman ibn Auf said him to show him the market. It is said that Abdurrahman ibn Auf has begun his business with only 2 to 4 dinars. There are 3 top business strategies of Abdurrahman ibn Auf. Number 1 is using cash. He always used cash in his business. He constantly paid cash for products and sold them for cash. There were no credit deals. And number 2 is he never stocked anything or waited for a greater profit. This second component of Abdurrahman ibn Auf's business plan is that he attempted to avoid storing products and selling them on a higher profit. He didn't do it. He always sold the product even if he had only a penny in profit. So it had a high degree of cash flow. And number 3 is he was always truthful in his dealings. The third rule of Abdurrahman ibn Auf's business approach is he never hid any flaws in his products. He told his customer if his good was good, or if it wasn't good, then he has showed the product to the customer, and he was very truthful and trustworthy. This honesty in business has made him one of the richest businessmen, companion of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.